Hey.
Morning. We have two cases on docket today. Mr. Noah Gonzalez, the arraignment on a reckless. We're spoken of today.
Are you ready? You mind bringing him up so we can be ready? Come up, Mr. Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $200 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, sir.
On June 3rd, 2026, officer observed defendant's vehicle going 98 miles per hour in a 65-mile-per-hour zone. Officer observed defendant's vehicle swerving in and out of traffic, going around other vehicles on the roadway in heavy traffic. Officer initiated a traffic stop and made contact with defendant and asked why he was driving like that, to which defendant stated he was late for work.
Got it. Does he have a license to drive?
I'm running his license right now, Your Honor.
Please. Mr. Gonzalez, as a condition of your bond, you're ordered not to drive in a reckless manner again. Otherwise, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds for you. This is not a revolving door. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
You are not allowed to drive unless you have a valid Texas driver license and liability insurance, and that is also a condition. If you do not have car insurance in your name, no driving.
His license is eligible, Your Honor.
All right. We're going to have conditions created for you to sign. Once you sign them, at that point, you'll be free to go. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll have you sign a reset, then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box. At that point, you'll be free to go.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. She must have stepped out, so if you just want to have him take a seat, then we'll just tell him not to leave. All right, who's your second?
Brenton Livingston.
Okay. Where are we headed?
So, I've spoken to the state. They made a PTI offer. I talked to my client, 0.04, so.
You what?
0.04.
Great.
So,
But we need to know it's 170 days. I understand that it's a low, but
yeah, I got hired kind of those, but I'll talk to him another last minute.
I'll give you one more standard reset, but at that point, he's got to be here to either accept or reject. If if he wants to apply for PTI, he's got to have it in by the next setting.
I'll
but-
talk to him.
yeah.
Where we're at.
Okay,
All right.
thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
So he's approved. Was there an accident? Does he need a mitigation packet? Livingston.
No accident, she doesn't need a mitigation.
No.
plan, so they'll do it.
So basically just all you got to do is the application and,
That's all I would approve them, that's on this application.
yeah. Okay, cool.
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I don't care what, just the only thing, just no heaters. That's, other than that, I don't care what you guys do.
Okay.
If you want to eat, carry on, I don't care. Just the heaters kill. Oh, my Lord. How's homeboy back there? Is he good? What's up, Dick?
Hey, Judge.
What's new, man?
No,
I'm looking for you. You. Judge, turn on the live stream. We're gonna get some fireworks on today.
It is. Don't worry.
Take her, you know. I can get a change.
Yes, I know.
That's
That's what
what
I'm saying. I'm assuming it's not.
it's not, it's
Hey, we got Tony waiting on a reset.
I got the receipt.
Oh, you ready?
Yeah.
Big bond conditions on that one?
Yeah. Yeah.
258. Oh, wait, no, there is.
Yes, I'm sure.
Ready?
That's fine.
Yes.
And give it a and they'll call me. Do you use, that's not your PTR?
If you don't want to, yeah.
Oh.
She was a contract. She was involved in that. Yeah, I lied. I started about 3 or 4 weeks ago.
Okay.
She was involved in something. It's a bad accident. It's a bad accident. They had legislation last week. So they really kind of a lot of information.
All right, I didn't sign it. What do we use?
I'm sorry.
All right, so I can't see you.
Close breakage is just excellent to give you your permission to send off certified copies of judgments.
Okay.
Who's-
I'm not there.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, for Livingston, how much time did we give?
Just one more reset, but he's got regular reset, but he's got to be here at the next setting to decide what they want to do. If he wants to do PTI, it's got to be submitted by the next one.
End of part one. And we've seen everything from animal cruelty to laptop launches to a TikTok creator getting a reality check. Judge Fleischer doesn't play, and he definitely doesn't forget. Part two, that's where things get personal. Attorneys getting called out, curfews getting set, and one defendant who's about to learn what contempt of court really means. Don't go anywhere.
She doesn't want that. And she wants to- You're good.
Yeah.
Stace, she still needs to sign conditions. Once she does, she's with you.
Judge, Tyler's good.
Oh, he is? Hey, you can tell me if you know that I've got so many windows open if I didn't see it. Just tell me, it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Hi.
I didn't know.
Yeah, it's me. It's me. Tyler. Have we talked to someone today already or no? Hey,
Hey, Judge, sorry, it was on
no,
my
one more time.
Bluetooth.
Just one time. Hold on, Tyler. We can't hear you. Say something.
I'm here.
There we go. We can hear you now. Okay. So next week, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
No. I'm not ready for the
Why?
16th. I'm gonna, so it's a combination of things, Judge. I'm still recovering from pretty serious hand puncture, have open wounds in my hand that are still healing all over top and bottom. But also it just kind of coincided, like tomorrow is supposed to be the day that the doctor said, well, you could go back to work the next Monday if your wounds are healed. But I also haven't had a family trip in a year half, and I had one scheduled for next week.
Okay.
But you guys already had multiple resets on this case, Tyler. We allow one reset, then we got to go,
Well, respectfully, I was looking at that. The state had a continuance. The clerk site doesn't indicate we filed a continuance or had a continuance. I think there was one time I came in and I had talked to you.
There have been multiple continuances on this case. Like, how many times this case has been continued? At least 2 times, if not 3.
Well, it shows one continuance on the clerk site.
Yeah, I believe first continuance is because multiple trials, is that
Right.
the same day? And then state also had continuance.
Right. So the first one was yours because you had multiple trials going on. So we said, okay, whatever. I think it was a trial was it court 8, maybe?
They were set in 7, 8, and 5.
Right. But you guys are always set in every court. So until we get you, you're always set in every court. So it's always going to be like that, So
I think I remember coming in on that and I was going to talk to you about it and let you know I was going to be ready depending on what you said. And I may be remembering it wrong, but you had another trial and I think you kind of just waved me off and said, just go get another date. That's fine. You can go to
Sure.
trial in there. And I appreciate that.
So we try to be as easygoing as possible, but at some point we have to say when. We can't just continue to punt it down the road, Do you have the call number? Please.
256
Okay.
5785.
They raise and she'll come back.
I'm just supposed to be out all next week
On vacation.
on vacation. Yes. I'm open to other ideas. I could probably, I don't know if you can we can pick a jury tomorrow and recess to the 21st.
Is there no resolution that can be reached in this case?
Not from our standpoint, Judge. If the state is offering to plead to a DWI conviction, then we want to go to trial.
Does he have a prior DWI?
No priors, Your Honor. We have the time served offer in.
Does he want to apply for PTI? You guys have no interest in PTI?
No, sir. I'm sorry, 22nd, not 21st.
Are you able to pull up the trial docket by court? How come the intelligence page doesn't work? Look, I'm getting this internal server error. I can't pull up any, how you can pull up trials by docket, trials by court, and then all that stuff. I can't pull anything up. It's been like this for days. No, how there's the intelligence webpage where you can look at.
So Judge, there's a new one under default. You need to go under that one. The one that says default favorites and pull it up under there.
I don't see it. I don't know what you're talking about.
On the
Oh, I
bar.
see it. Okay, there we go.
And then Perry County Criminal Courts Intelligence.
There we go. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys. That's it.
You're welcome.
So Ramona,
Yes, Judge.
what about the week of the 29th?
Welcome back to part 2. If you thought the first half was intense, just wait. Judge Fleischer is warmed up. The excuses are running thin. And there's one attorney who's about to get a very public reality check. Let's jump in.
That's fine. We have 2 trials scheduled that day or that week. We only have 2.
Tyler, what about the week of the 29th?
That looks good, Judge. I don't have anything on that Thursday or Friday before, and I don't have any trials set on the 29th on the 29th. I have some on the 30th, but
So,
I have
I
some on the
guess set it-
30th in court 10 is pref set, but
Then let's do the 29th.
okay.
You want it on Monday?
Yeah, that way
Okay,
we
Judge.
can get him in trial first.
Okay,
If we try to set it on the 30th, we're gonna have to argue with other courts, and I don't want to have to do
okay,
that.
that's fine. I'll put it on the,
This is the last
29th.
reset, though, Tyler. I mean, that's it.
I appreciate it, Judge. You're always very accommodating. I'm sorry to even put
Don't worry about
everybody
it.
in this position.
It is what
We'll
it
be
is,
ready.
but this is it, though, right? We're going.
We'll go.
Okay.
Just for scheduling purposes and subpoenaing our witnesses, it'll be for that on Monday and then.
More dire Monday. No, let's just start. Just start, because, I mean, there are other courts are gonna be, if we're actually in trial, then, so at least let's maybe get through one, at the most 2. Yeah. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, man. I
Thank
hope
you very
I
much.
hope your hand gets better.
Yeah, it was bad. I'll tell you about some time. I had like a
No,
rapidly
I know. I
flesh-eating
I get it.
bacteria.
I understand.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you all very much, Ramona. Good to see you.
Okay.
And Bree should
So,
be there.
hey, file a
Good to see you
motion. File a motion.
I think we did, and we filed it earlier this week, and Bree approached
Okay.
on it, so
Then
it
I'll
should
grant
still
it then.
be.
But I'm gonna put in there granted, and then trial to be set for the 29th. Okay?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
And we can inform my client to stand down for
Yeah.
Tuesday. Okay. All right. Thank you. Y'all.
If a guy schedules a trip in lieu of going to trial, that's not cool. You know what I mean? That's really not cool. If someone has an injury, if there's something, right. But just because the defendant schedules a trip, no. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's not cool. Don't be scheduling a trip when you know you're separate trial. Anyways, okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, man. Have fun,
Thank you.
Tyler.
Thank you.
We'll see you in a couple weeks.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you mind putting the continuance consent on? Let me give you the cause number. It's not on the docket today. It's 256-5785. It's defense's continuance, please. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Judges queue, there's nothing, it's 2565785. Thank you so much.
Oh, first, that. Wow, why were I thinking like that? She said. She said. See you later. I'm now this highway. Okay, well, I'm gonna go in.
Listen to Bree. She normally gives us the receipt first before we do the document.
Did you see that?
Noah Gonzalez, right, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm just gonna get your signature for your bond conditions that the judge will know. And they keep that, so I should say, whenever you're ready. Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, this is your market conditions, which you had to do, and then this is your reset when you're required to come under court. You're good to go, you have a good day.
Yeah.
Oh,
All the way up there? Yeah. Yeah, I can.
Bring your mom.
Look at
Yeah, so it's just around.
House all. Yes, ma'am, there were one second.
I'm trying to get all the way up there.
It's kind of like, oh, no. This is like,
How much? Thank you.
almost way up there.
Coming up here? She's in training. That's why.
Oh, thanks. That's what I want, what I always wanted. Good job, Ellen.
Last time, young.
Can you, wait, can you afford a lawyer? Just, we don't know who it is. We gotta wait. Just be patient, really.
No, that's not.
I'm gonna have to take off. One thing I have to take off.
You should have one of my copy. She said she was going to check back on my call. Oh, everything started.
Vic, you know who we should got?
Yeah, we have kind of just walked down.
Oh, damn.
I know.
Was it Stacy?
Yeah, no, not Stacy, Sherry.
Oh, McGonagall?
The bottom is your statement.
She represents Mr. Kamal. Oh, there you are. Hey, there she is. Wonderful. No, not Willis, Davis. That's Miss Davis.
Oh, I'm not sure if she went. Oh, then you can sit and wait until she comes out. You can be there.
I need to approach on Willis as well.
Okay, sure.
Oh, I just got it, that's why.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Miss Davis.
We're clairvoyant.
Give me 1 minute of speech. Jabari Willis.
Okay, do you have a cause number? Is it on docket? It's not on.
That's the only reason I'm approaching it. Hold on.
I got things by.
Oh, you picked up in the case. Where's Mr. Willis now? Yeah, no, I'm gonna revoke his bond if he's picked up in the case.
I spoke with the plaintiff this morning and based on my conversation, I believe he's in custody.
I had to go get back.
Because he picked up another video.
Shut the front door.
This is a felony.
Well, I'm gonna revoke this bond anyways. I mean, he's not here. He's supposed to be here. He picked up a new case in another county, whatever. I'm gonna revoke it. I'll set this one at 5,001. And then at least if he is in custody, we'll get the hold. And I don't know, if he bonds out of there, he bonds out of there, but I mean, he's not here, so. And he picked up a new VPO. Did they file it as a felony or? No. I guess, do you want to stay on the case or do you want to withdraw?
I'm going to
Because-
stay for a little while and watch it and see what happens with the cases. If they're resolved in some way that we can handle these.
Sure. Do you know, are you able to see if a bond is set over there?
I can check. I can go to the. Yeah, we'll pull it up.
Okay. All right, I guess just let me know if you want to withdraw, then just,
Not yet.
yeah, just whenever you want. Sure, of course. Okay, and then just tell me, once she signs conditions, Sherry, at that point, she's free to go. Stacy,
Okay, ready for Mr. Henderson. Somebody.
if you talk to him,
Yes.
do you mind bringing Mr. Henderson out? Hey, on the terroristic threat with Willis, Same complaining witness
Yes, sir.
with the BPO, right?
Yes,
Okay. I told you what the expectation is. You know, I understand that you're frustrated. I understand that this.
Okay, let's pause on this. An attorney just asked for a continuance because of a family trip, a vacation, while facing trial. And the judge's response? Polite confusion followed by, "That's not cool." That's judge speak for, "I'm being nice, but you're embarrassing yourself." Pro tip: don't schedule Cancun during your felony hearing.
Sucks, but everybody here is just trying to do a job. And it's not fair for you to take your frustration out on everybody else, making their life more difficult, invariably making your life more difficult because we have a jail here. And when you act out, what's going to happen? You're just going to end up in jail. It's just not fair. All we want to do here is protect our community and make sure everyone's safe. If you pick up a criminal case, there are certain things that you got to live. That's it. I'm not asking you to do anything out of the ordinary, anything crazy. When people have too much time on their hands, Mr. Henderson, they tend to get in a lot of trouble and become self-destructive. We are now in month 6, and you're now, what, number 3 already this year? Is this number 4?
Number 5, or number 4 this year.
In a matter of 6 months, you have picked up a 4th case, and you come in here acting like you're the king, like you got some game.
Your Honor, based on this, we also did accept charges on assault and murder.
1 second ahead.
We're looking into it right now, Your Honor.
Better be ready. Oh, another warrant's about to hit. I think, Mr. Willis, that, I'm not Mr. Willis, Mr. Henderson. I think that I'm well within my right to hold you in contempt. I will give you one final chance. If you ever, and everything that has transpired today, I will be writing down. If you ever act like this again, I will have a contempt hearing and you will be facing 180 days in jail. Flat. Do you understand? So when pretrial asks you, do you have a phone? You have to be honest because there are conditions that I'm placing on you now. I'm doing everything I think in my power to prevent you from picking up a 7th case in 6 months. You will get a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. If you are 1 minute past curfew, I will throw your butt in jail. I will look at the case and I'm going to make it run high. You understand? Okay, so just be ready.
Right.
I don't know, have you seen?
No, I haven't. She just attached.
Yeah, so just be ready. I mean, it's just a matter of time before another case hits. Come back and we'll talk. We'll see how, when that second case hits, I don't have to give you another PR bond. A lot of what we do here will depend on how you are with compliance with the conditions that we place. You will be tested 40 days from today. It's not a matter of if, you know. So from today forth, if you put anything into your body that you don't know what the hell is, you may very well be looking at more jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Stace, I'll release them to you. I'd like to just see how he acts with Veronica to make sure that she doesn't have to.
You know, like, monitor privacy.
I'm sorry. Yeah, GPS. So GPS, right? No contact with the complaining witness, no going within 1,000 feet of where she lives, works. Curfew 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Must get a job. Back in 2 weeks to see what he's done to get a job. When you come back, I want to see 20 to 30 applications for a job, Mr. Henderson.
Last name Davis.
Yeah. Oh, George, I don't know, to Monday, so, I have an email on it. I did that as a
Judge
judge.
Lawson, were you doing that?
I will work at 7, but I have to be here.
Okay, hold on, I'm doing 1 second.
And actually, I work at 7.
Judge, we're at an off, I'm gonna arraignment.
Sharon Davis.
So, yeah, let me just finish real quick.
Or I'm just gonna get you to sign the box.
There's out that week. We emailed it, but we texted him as soon as the day, so he would know it, we just told him that he's out.
You're gonna show me that this is your next court date. You're welcome. You're welcome, that's it.
So what's a good time then?
He comes back on the 6th, Judge.
If you need to do the, I guess, it's just, they will kind of,
Judge.
Hey, y'all, it's Tyler Flood. Thanks for calling. Sorry I missed your call.
I just left him I texted him, to tell him to call. I just called him, it went straight to voicemail, so let me see. Okay, Victoria, what's the cost number, please? Car one. 26 24 2624148.
Yes, Judge. Last name Flores.
All right, coming up, Mr. Flores.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Flores, you're charged with assault of a family member. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On June 8th, 2026, officer was dispatched to a residence in Harris County, Texas, in reference to domestic disturbance. Complainant's stepdad advised that defendant threw his mother and pulled her hair. Dispatch advised the defendant drove off in vehicle. Upon arrival, complainant stated she got into an argument with defendant, told him to leave, and he take home drunk. Complainant got into the driver's seat, so defendant would not drive. Defendant attempted to remove complainant from the vehicle by pulling her hair and shirt. She had minor scratches and defendant trying to pull her out of the vehicle. Defendant also pushed complainant out of the vehicle. Officer observed scratches on complainant's arm and neck. Defendant's son stated he heard complainant screaming and came outside and observed defendant in the driver's seat while complainant was on the passenger side. Witness observed defendant's hand on complainant's head. He was unsure if he was hitting her. Witness stated complainant fell out of the vehicle and defendant drove off.
This is serious. Judge Fleischer just told a domestic assault defendant, if you put your hands on someone while on bond, I'm going to put my hands all over your bond. Then came the SCRAM monitor, GPS curfew, and no contact order. This isn't punishment yet. This is prevention. And honestly, it's how you protect victims before something worse happens.
Officer was able to locate defendant's vehicle and initiated a traffic stop.
Do we know if any alcohol or dope played a factor in this? What time of day or night?
Stated that the defendant came home drunk. Officers were dispatched to the location at around 3 a.m.
The prior assault that he has that was dismissed about 6 months ago, same complaining witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Flores, I want you to know that I'm putting a whole host of conditions on you. You will get a SCRAM on your ankle now, so I know that you're not consuming alcohol. I will protect my community at all costs. If you ever put your hands on someone while you're on bond in this court, I'm going to put my hands all over your bond and I'm going to make it.
Yes, sir.
You understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to have any contact with the complaining witness, and you're not to go within 1,000 feet of where she lives or where she works. You have a monitor on your ankle, so I know where you are at all times. You go anywhere near there, I'm going to throw your ass in jail and I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested for everything. If I find that you're using illegal drugs, including marijuana, likewise, into jail you go. No more PR bonds for you. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is not contrary to popular belief. This is not a revolving door.
Yes, sir.
You will also get a curfew. 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. You are not to be out.
Yes, sir.
No weapons. Test in 40 days. Let's make sure there's a protective order in this case. I would say, so I'm going to amend the MOA to do 121 days because he's in a car and that's a deadly weapon. So I'm now, this protective order will be issued. You are not to have any contact. If you violate this condition, they can file additional case against you, and a violation of a protective order is a capital murder of misdemeanors. You understand? We are going to reset your case to give you time to hire a lawyer. I'm gonna have you sign a reset. You'll get with Veronica for your bond conditions, and then we'll see you in 30 days. Come on.
Go to THA.
THA.
All right, go ahead and have a seat, please.
Hi, Greg.
Nature standing there. So not next part. Good. How are you?
What's up? Good to see you, man.
You too.
Happy Friday Eve.
Yeah, happy Friday Eve.
Can I put you on hold for 1 second? I'm really so
I
sorry.
don't know anything on Docket. I see.
Okay, give me 1 second. Tyler,
Yes, sir.
so it looks like the state's witness cannot be there on the 29th.
Okay.
What about the following week? Like the week of the 6th?
Yeah, I've got a felony set in Brazoria County on that on 6, but I don't think that's gonna go. They had to, the DA's office had to recuse themselves and they got a special prosecutor and we haven't even discussed a resolution yet. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
so
think
you're,
that's gonna
yeah,
go.
you're not gonna go. Okay, so why don't we, Ramona,
Yes, Judge.
can we do it that day, the 6th?
Yeah, if that's when you want to move it.
Hold on, Ramona.
Okay.
Back on the 6th, so we can do Fort Dyer on the 6th and testimony.
Sure. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, I'm down. Yeah. Okay, all right, so we'll do it the 6th then.
Okay.
Okay, so I just want to make sure you knew I had that conflict, but we'll contact them right now and probably just file a continuance because they haven't even reached out to me at all.
Okay, so hey, we'll just so that you know, we'll just do voir dire on that day. And then we'll break
Okay.
and we'll start testimony the next day, okay?
Okay, all right, so July 6th.
Yeah,
Thank
sorry
you.
about the problem.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, man.
Okay, no, thank you.
All right, I hope you feel better. All
Thank
right,
you.
bye, Tyler.
Bye.
Okay, thanks.
Bernard Lane ring a bell? He's one of your fugitive. I have him on docket today.
Lang?
Bernard Lane.
Lane.
And the court here asked me to come up here to kind of try to figure out what's going on. So he's had a
Court
fugitive
2.
warrant. They said he's on docket in your court today as well. I thought he was on yesterday. But
It shows he's on, it shouldn't be on both days. That's a,
Well, I thought it was yesterday. That's why I put him into court 2 today.
is he with you over there?
I'm trying to figure, because he didn't make it to
So-
court 2 and he's on holdover.
So normally when someone has a fugitive case, if they've not made bond,
Well, he's made bond.
it's told. He's made bond here, so usually we give them 14 days to come pick him up.
I thought. So I don't know if he's out or they got, I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure it out.
Do you know if he's not filed a fugger, is he? Day? Yeah,
Lane, Bernard Lane. He's the defendant.
yeah.
Then he's also on my docket.
He's set for 6/11 for pickup.
Items on the fugitive case.
Hold on, let me call Day.
Today's the 11th, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
This month.
But you didn't make it up.
And he-
Yeah, because he's
He didn't make it to court 2 either. He was on both dockets for some reason. I don't know.
oh, he didn't make it there either. We don't have him? We don't have him either.
He's not in the back. I can check.
Hey, can I talk to you for a second? I'm gonna put you on speaker.
I am not his attorney on the fugitive warrant, just so that.
Hey,
Yes, Judge.
Mist, are they gonna pick up Lane
Well, that's what we're trying to verify right now. Is that Adam there?
No, it's Greg, who's his lawyer in the other misdemeanor case.
Hold on, let me pull up.
So court 2 is trying to figure out what's going on.
See, so they should have this morning. That was part of the conversation yesterday. I just got an email. We're trying to verify with them right now if he's actually like physically in their van. So that's what we're trying to verify. I should have an update in in the next 30 minutes, hopefully.
Okay,
I can
well-
email you too, Greg. Yeah.
So he'll email you.
Okay, I'll launch another court delay.
Yeah,
Okay,
so he
I'll
might
have an
be
update
getting
before
picked up literally as we speak now.
Okay.
Yes.
So just make sure that you have a good number for him so that,
I don't have anything.
well,
Yeah, we have each other's numbers, Judge.
well, no, not you, the defendant,
Oh.
because if he goes back to where he's wanted from and then you guys lose contact and they end up issuing a warrant there, it's gonna be exact.
Jay, was it Georgia or was it like something else? I can't remember.
This one was, I can tell you right now, it is Idaho.
Idaho.
I know.
Okay, because this is the second time I think he's gone through this. But anyway, okay.
Okay,
Yes.
I'm gonna-
But I'll email.
Okay.
yeah, just CC Adam though too, okay?
All right, thanks, sir.
I will.
Okay, all right, thanks.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hey, Dave's really good about getting to you guys,
I
so
know.
hopefully
Go to,
within,
go to court 2 class. Maybe I'll
Okay.
let you know.
Ms. McBroom,
Morning, Judge.
hey, good morning.
Joe Manning.
Manning?
Yes, we just received our DWI PTI contract this morning. May we please have our reset?
Okay, so your case is 170 days it's old, okay? I'll give you a reset, but where are you with the PTI?
We just received the contract this morning.
You just got the contract?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so we'll give you about 2 weeks to finish everything up then.
All right.
30 through July 2nd.
June 30th through July 2nd.
Yes.
The 30th.
Okay, it's yours.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am, thanks.
Thank you.
Okay. I put amended on there, just so that you guys know that it's, yeah, okay. Hi, good morning.
I'm approaching October.
Okay,
I just received the DWIP contract this very morning.
great. So we'll just give you a couple weeks to finish it up.
We just need a little time for him to go.
Yep. Okay,
Then he was.
you got it.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Raise your hand if you've ever seen a judge get more frustrated with the system than with the defendant. Fleischer just asked, why are we just now getting this violation from 2 months ago? That's a judge who wants efficiency, not excuses. Coming up next, a bond revocation that you won't believe.
You know the messed up thing on Willis? The terroristic threat was filed on 4/12. The VPO that they just filed here happened 4/20. So why are we just now getting it? You know, it's been 2 months. I don't know, or I guess was he just, did he just get picked up on it or something?
The BPO is a 2B.
Oh, right, okay.
And the one remote address is 426.
Mom? I want to go back to driving now.
And then go on this one. Made a confidence.
You got this one for us? What is this one? Yeah.
Oh, they swapped me.
Got to go back and driving.
I'm sorry. Or if you can have them see.
Let's go back and drive.
Hey, let's go to the list. Unless you want to stay here. Get your sister.
Oh, yeah.
Good morning, Judge.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Did you guys dismiss Bohana?
That's.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, we do that. Webster. All right, so you want to have Monday, 15th?
Yeah.
See ya.
Thank you.
Where's Pascal and driving the house into the center?
Thank you.
Yeah, we just do something.
Ah, hey, you can look better, Mom.
No, no, so.
Hey, Jesse's,
Our judge bottom of 7. There were group on posted, his mom called and said he was in the hospital. And I asked for documentation, I haven't received it.
10,003. Who's next?
Page 13. The defendant has 2 cases on for today, and 1 on for tomorrow. All of them are already.
2501 on these two. Brenda. I think that's it.
Top of 15, did you grant that one?
Is it ODL?
There were 2 of them on that.
I signed one with Ramona. I don't,
Just one? Okay.
yeah, I don't know which one I did. Okay, are you ready? Hi, Mr. Bailey, come on up. What's new?
Pushing on, just hanging out, trying to.
Cool.
Get the docket, sorry for the meeting.
Oh, shut.
Your Honor, I've got Mr. Lawson.
Okay.
You heard PC on him a little bit earlier. Mr. Lawson in custody. I have the cause number for you.
I got, no, I know who you're talking about.
I just wanted to give a status on the bond situation. Did you set a bond in this case?
Yeah, there's, well, I guess the matching may have, they're 5,002 each.
Right, that's all I had. Your Honor, I'm asking to reapproach and talk about that, those.
Sure, of course.
I understand the basis for violation was that he failed to come to court after opening a new case. Mr. Lawson has told me about his new bags with his dad, that's a few miles away. I'm just representing what he told me, which is that he did try and call the court and let him know that it.
I'm not going to give him another PR bond. You picked up a new case. You didn't show up when you had a BVR. I'm not going to give you one. If you want a bond reduction, I'm happy to give you a bond reduction, but I'm not going to sit here. This is not a revolving door, man.
Yes, sir.
You don't get to continue to pick up cases, continue to violate conditions and just, okay, here. No. So.
I understand that, Your Honor. I would ask, to reduce the bonds to 2,500 each.
How much?
2,500 each.
Sure, of course. We'll do 2501, so I know that there's, but yeah. Yes, absolutely, of course. Yes, sir. No. You want both, Mr. Baylor, right? Both?
I'm asking for only one, but not covering. Yes, sir.
Oh, you still want, you only want one?
I want both.
I thought you said both,
I
but
was thinking like maybe like 2 for the price of 1 is what I was thinking, but.
Okay, so 2501 on both.
Sorry.
How's July 22nd? Is he going to the wedding?
He's good to go.
Judge, the one, council approached you on the list, you were both like.
Yeah, 5001. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
That was just double check.
Ed, you got anybody back there? No? Okay, all right, we're done. Yeah. Okay, that's it. All she wrote.
Judge.
Here we go. Defendant didn't show up, picked up a new case. And now Judge Fleischer says, I'm not giving you another PR bond. That means jail. No more chances. No more my dad was 50 miles away. This is the moment where talk becomes consequences. Watch the defendant's face. That's the sound of freedom disappearing.
No, what?
Yeah, they told me yesterday.
Where are you going?
I'm waiting for 12.
It's, wow.
Yeah.
Well, who's in court 12?
Judge Guy.
Oh, she's great. I mean, she's just